I am taking this bike on my cross-Canada trip. I needed something that has a lot of power, nice fat tires for off-road, but also folds up into a very compact space to fit in the back of my van. This suits all of my needs. It's the compact, lightweight, folding F3 model from GOTRAX. Now, I must say, I have a few e-bikes already, and this is probably my favorite one. It has the step-through design. It's lightweight and powerful. Now, obviously, to check the power, we got to do some brake torques. Yep, that works just fine. Actually, it had so much power with a little bit of my weight on the seat, and I gave it full throttle at the highest setting, and the bike, if I put my toes on the ground, actually came out from under me, and I could whip it up. 500-watt motor on the back, that's all you ever need. I don't know why you'd want to go any faster than that. Put the full throttle, and the bike almost leaps out from under me. Plenty of power, especially because it only weighs 67 pounds, which is very light for an e-bike. I'm also a very big fan of the twist throttle instead of the thumb throttle. I don't know, it feels more like a motorcycle. So one of my e-bikes has the thumb, and two of my e-bikes have the twist. I prefer the twist. And 7-speed transmission for just pedaling like a standard mountain bike. But this has pedal assist or just full electric. You can go ripping wherever you want to go. Wheel size, they're 20-inch wheels, 4-inch wide, fat tire, very grippy, very nice tires. So you can take that through some very good off-roading setups. So far, so good. As you can see, they're muddy already. I have a folding e-tricycle. It doesn't fold up as compact as just a bicycle because it has 2 back tires. So I couldn't take that one. Do you see how tightly compact it folds up? I have one little strap so it doesn't fall over back there. My other bike doesn't have the step-through model, so you have to swing your leg over. For my father, who has trouble getting on a bike, in order for him to keep up with the kids, I might be giving him this or getting myself another one. The battery's hidden away in this main fork. You can charge it while it's on the bike or fold it up to slide the battery out. GOTRAX has a bunch of different models. This is one of their maybe more expensive ones, but it's still very reasonable. The F3 model. 13.6 amp hour, 48 volt battery for all of your needs. Max speed of 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers an hour. That's fast enough for almost any needs of someone like me or my father as well. To give you an idea of how compact it is when it folds up, it's only 38 inches by almost 20 inches by 30 inches. That is quite a tight space for your small vehicle or trunk or back of an SUV. Pure electric only without the pedal assist. It goes 45 kilometers on a single charge. With the pedal assist, about 72 kilometers. I am very excited to take this on some mountain trails on my trip. On the farm, I charge all of my e-bikes and everything off of solar, so it costs me nothing until the battery has to be replaced. So this operates for free. I would take one of these over a motorcycle any day of the week. This is my 3rd e-bike we have now. Very nice display that you can see even at night. Has a nighttime and a daytime display. Headlight, brake light. The display shows you the battery level, fault detection if there's ever an error, real-time speed, power assist, push icon. Has a tripometer, odometer, maximum speed, average speed. For the controls, it's a simple power on-off button, a plus and a minus button. I button to change the modes, and a headlight button. It also came with some accessories, 2 mirrors, rear view mirrors, if you want to put those on. I didn't. It came with a bell on it. I took that off. And it also came with a cell phone holder. I actually put that on for my purposes. It also came with this very unique and cool tool kit that has a clip that slides under your seat and Velcros under the seat here. In this little kit, I put a bike lock, which it also came with, a folding bike lock, which is very nice to have. The tool kit, so you can repair anything on the go, all the things you need. So the wrenches and Allen keys and a Phillips screwdriver. The toolkit also fits the AC charger, so you can literally have everything you need in one convenient compartment under the back seat here. To fold it down, it's 2 clips. One folds the handlebars down, one you unclip and you fold the bike in half. It's very, very simple to deploy out and fold up. It also has a convenient handle and the step-through design, so if you have to lift the bike, whether it's folded or deployed, one-handed, you can carry this bike around. It's very lightweight as well. Now, what's really cool about this e-bike is it has gear shifters just like a standard mountain bike. So for pedaling it, and you can pedal it without any e-bike. So if you lost your batteries, it's like pedaling a fat tire bike. There's not a lot of extra weight. There'd be some for the electric motor and the battery, but it's kind of like a fat tired bike that's also an e-bike. I would say it comes about 85% assembled, and it didn't take very long to assemble the whole thing. You put the front tire on, very simple color instructions to navigate, put the front fender on, the headlight, and very simple. You're good to go in a matter of 15 to 30 minutes. Nice packaging when it comes, lots of styrofoam, nothing's going to get damaged. The rear rack is straight up welded to the frame. It says max 25 kilograms. That can hold a lot of weight. I could literally put my solar generator fully charged on here and probably go halfway across Canada with the range that it has for its battery, as well as the solar generator's capability. Heavy duty kickstand, obviously, and these are nice, fat, grippy tires. Excellent color manual, everything you need to know in there. Now, the max load on this is 264 pounds, actually. So I'm 220 myself, so only an additional 40 pounds of load. The bike fits me very well. It's comfortable to ride. It's not like a super compact version of anything. It's a full-size bike, but how they designed it, how it folds up so tightly in such a tight space, it's a wonderful system. I'll put a link in the description to GOTRAX. This is the F3 model that I purchased. They also have different models, even more economical models than this one, but the F3 is kind of one of their best of the best, and I'd highly recommend it. 1-year warranty on her as well, if you ever need. I can't see why you'd ever need it. Look after it. I mean, then you don't need it. Everything's high quality. You get what you pay for in life. And I suspect this is going to last a very, very long time. Okay.
Are you okay?
Just film again.
I'm still filming.
Too old to be doing that anymore. My little biff there, I got a tiny little crack on the screen. That's not GOTRAX's fault. That's my fault for thinking I'm not middle-aged or something. Thanks for watching. I'm super excited for my trip. I'm going to pack it up in the van because we got to go soon. So I may have a discount for you. Look in the description if you want to save a few bucks and get a really awesome e-bike from GOTRAX. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.